Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Bonk update today. And right now, I think Bonk is in an incredible place to probably buy it one more time. Do you see that? Notice how Bonk is literally making this triangle, and we drop down. So considering that this could be an amazing 2.86% risk, could be recommended from my side to actually take a trade right now. And yeah, if you end up just coming back up and breaking above and moving up to 5,777, you have you know a risk of 3%, nearly 3%, with a 93% reward, which actually doesn't sound very bad to try off. Now, heading into the 4 hour time frame, we can actually even see that Pepe, so not Pepe, Bonk is actually kind of making this hammer, candlestick, and also it's holding the 55 pretty well. The last time you actually visited the 55, you had a very good response. So you nearly made it down to the 55 and you bounced off really nicely right there. And if I show you again right here, you're exactly doing the very same. All you did is pretty much came and hold the 55. So the idea is that there is a break until 14th of March. Again, 2 more days are left and we kind of have a squeeze happening. So I do see Bonk coming back up again to maybe 3165 and eventually even breaking above. And when you do that, when you break above it, the first target you're going to see is 3722 and eventually make it even all the way up to 4465. And also do not forget that on the daily time frame, we have the tweezer bottom, as I showed you the last time as well. So tweezer bottom right there. And also yesterday we did made a decisive doji, which is after the red you actually kind of made this green in the middle. Do you see that? So almost like a gravestone doji right there. So today, which means in the next 14 hours 22 minutes, we could expect to see that this candle, today's candle, being green one more time. Not just green, but probably green in a way that it close up like this. Tomorrow you kind of retest this line, and then from there you start the journey to continue to push up to 5,777. I think the worst situation that we may see for Bonk is that if Bonk really makes it all the way down to, again, 1887. So coming down to 1887 is going to be a worst case situation. You may not want to see Pepe coming down, but I do see that this is nothing else than a move to the upside with a nice good flag over here. And if you break above it, that is going to do wonders in the next coming few days. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.